Welcome back to our spring market update. And today I'm so excited because we have Melissa Cadd. She's a broker with Nexa Mortgage, and we're going to talk about the spring market from the lender's perspective. What are we seeing and what does that look like? Thanks for joining me, Mel.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
Well, if you've ever been to the Apple Blossom Carnival and you've been on any of their roller coasters, that's what it's like in lending right now, with the rates in particular. But
I don't disagree.
yeah, it's a roller coaster. I want off. No, I'm kidding. But I think we're gonna stay below 7. We've dipped below 7 for the last week and a half. So I think we're gonna continue to go that route. So in the 6s is where I think we're gonna stay for a little bit.
So if we had buyers on the fence right now and they're kind of watching rates, and if you're at home, if you're watching rates and you're hoping for rates to drop, is that a realistic expectation, do you think?
I mean, it is, but I like to focus on what is moving them instead of the rates, because everyone standing on the sideline for the rates is going to jump in with a lot more people than the ones that now are moving because they want to downsize, they want to upsize, they want to get their investment portfolio going. I think those should drive you more than the rates, because we can change the rate, but we can also watch it. So
that is such a good point. So when we start talking about the spring market, really this is with regards to what your goals are. And if your goals for 2025 is to get into homeownership or to start your investment portfolio, now is the time. Don't wait, because we just don't know what the future holds. But like Mel said, she can kind of adjust the rates and we can fix that moving forward. But you got to get in the game.
Mm-hmm. All the sideline's going to come on the field, and then you're really going to have a good time. Rates won't matter because you won't be able to get the house because 12 offers will come in.
And that's exactly right. When we start seeing bidding wars, then it doesn't matter what the rate is, because you'll end up either pricing yourself out of your price range or having to settle on a home that you didn't necessarily love. So if you start now, we're seeing huge influxes of inventory. Our inventory is up. However, the number of closed homes are down, actually, which is kind of surprising. Also, our average and median sale price for the Valley has dropped this month as well. So I really think that this is all kind of a perfect storm for buyers if you're in the marketplace to jump in and get going and find that house, because you have so much choice.
Yep. I am seeing a lot of offers that go out that I'm surprised that they took it. Like, they'll lowball and they take it, because you just don't know the person's situation. They may need to move right away. They need to take this offer because they need to get on with their life. So yeah, I am seeing that as well. So.
And sellers, what this translates for you is just to be realistic with your expectations and why you're selling. Right now is not the time to just throw your house on the market and see what happens. If you're motivated to sell and you have a reason to sell, remember that and keep that in mind as we're presenting offers. You may not get a super great offer to start with, but it's an offer, and we can start from there. And a good agent will be able to negotiate and be able to come to terms with what you want, with what the buyer needs, and so everyone's happy and keeps you moving forward with what your ultimate goals are. If you're thinking about buying or selling in the Wenatchee Valley and you have questions, feel free to reach out to myself or to Melissa Cadd. Her information's down below, and either one of us would be happy to help answer any questions that you might have regarding your particular situation.